viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video we are going to the Pyresearch YOLOv5 model and how to live streaming with the YOLOv. Here there one simple script which we create. I'm uploading here. So front of you guys to see, just only no need to model, auto download and auto detect all things, and you can see the frame per second, how many frame per second of the model and frame YOLOv5 work. So we are going to the test, and you can see I'm creating one simple report. First of all, you download from here, from the git, go to the directory, upgrade your pip, and requirement need only 2-3 libraries. I will show you, and run the script name. Okay, open the terminal. So I am already in my folder, so you can see it, and I will download my weight. So I am showing you how to script work. You can see the script name Python YOLOv5. So you can see the first of all ultra license underscore master will be requirements will be updated, auto updated. So it's taking time. So you can see the auto weight downloaded, and going to the and auto will be downloaded, and you can need to any type of only just run the YOLOv5. You can see the all dependency will be here: PyTorch, OpenCV2, and PT time. Here the necessary libraries. I will show you what kind of the necessary dependency will be needed. You can see the frame per second, and not here the person, here the frame per seconds. Okay, so you can see the also detect the GR. You can also showing I'm showing you the my mouse. So it's not detect the mouse. No, here the mouse. Okay, person, person. Okay, you can see the frame per second, how many frame per second will be detect, and result. It's my MacBook, and you can see the book detect. So I think we're going to the now algorithm side. I'll show you. So I am opening my YOLOv5. Here the dependency one class will be created. Implementation YOLOv5 interface. You can see the camera interface also. Here the mention. You can see also what kind of the loaded we loaded are directly utilize, and YOLOv5 return tried the model, takes the single frame per input, and you can see the tuples of the in class function. So giving a label, you can also see the giving label person name and in the string form. So taking a frame into the result rectangular box, and then assign the name and category, assign the video camera. You can see and here the loop, here the result frame, and also we will put the text in the frame per seconds, how many frame per seconds will work, and in show work, and create a new object and execute our project. So this is a simple file YOLOv5 detect the live object. so it will be helpful for you. Script will be updated in my Git account. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates. Any kind of confusion, any type of error, you can comment down, we will sort out.